Bitcoin briefly topped $68,000 as Biden dropout riles up crypto bulls. WazirX hacks consolidates $57 million ETH into new wallets. Popcat crosses $1 billion, Morg rallies as Solana Ethereum beta bets gain favor. Hong Kong to launch Asia's first inverse Bitcoin ETF. Singapore commits $74.3 million for quantum and AI in finance. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitcoin's price continues to be highly impacted by the political scene in the United States. After the failed assassination attempt against Donald Trump last week, this time news regarding his opponent rattled the markets. Bitcoin gained almost 2% after the current US President Joe Biden ended his campaign for the 2024 presidential elections. Bitcoin is currently trading around $67,358. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 cryptocurrencies, was trading up by 5% at 85,750 points. And world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was trading at $67,390, up by 0.34%. World's second largest cryptocurrency token, Ether, fell 0.3% to $3,491.74, with focus largely on the approval of a spot Ether exchange-traded fund for US markets. Now, media reports said a spot ETF could begin trading by as soon as this week. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.05%, trading at $3,498. Well, Bitcoin miners are coming out of a capitulation phase, which historically has led to significant price gains for BTC. However, analysts warn that various factors, including institutional demand, sell-side pressure, geopolitical issues, and inflation, will continue to contribute to market volatility. Ethereum has seen a slight decline, with the market eagerly awaiting the approval of spot Ether ETF in the US, which could start trading soon and potentially boost market activity. Well, Binance's BNB token was up by 0.51% to trade at $597. Next on the list, Solana Sol was down 6.3% and was trading at $126. Cardano's ADA token was up by 1.23% to trade at $0.43. Well, if we talk about Avalanche's AVAX token, it was trading at $32, up by 3%. And Polygon's Matic token was trading up by 1% to trade at $0.54. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 4.70% at $0.13, while Shiba Inu was trading down by 0.50%. Now, if we talk about Triple Six XRP token, it traded $0.60, up by 2.14%, and Polkadot was down by 0.01% to trade at $6.2.
Thank you, Vishakha, for in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The WazirX hacker has transferred $57 million worth of the stolen funds to two new cryptocurrency addresses in the latest on-chain movement of the stolen funds. The hacker has transferred 16,350 Ether worth over $57 million to two new crypto wallets in the latest attempt to funnel the stolen assets. The lion's share of over $54 million was sent to address OX58D, according to a July 22nd X post by blockchain security firm PeckShield. The unknown hacker stole over $230 million from WazirX, an Indian cryptocurrency exchange, in the second largest cryptocurrency hack of 2024 so far. The on-chain movement of the stolen funds could uncover key details about the hacker's identity. To help track the stolen funds, WazirX has launched two bounty programs for on-chain investigators. The first one, the Track and Freeze Bounty, is offering up to $10,000 Tether USD for those who can provide actionable intelligence leading to the freezing of the stolen funds. The second one, the White Hat Recovery Bounty, rewards ethical hackers up to 10% of the amount they can help recover. The White Hat Bounty's upper limit was doubled to $23 million. Meme coins Popcat and Morg surged over the weekend, driven by the cat-themed narrative and their usage as beta bets by some traders. Popcat briefly topped $1 billion in market capitalization to emerge as the winner in a highly traded polymarket bet. Ether has gained over 5% in the past week as the ETH exchange-traded funds are expected to start trading on July 23rd. Solana's SOL rose 15% in the same period, buoyed by increased transactional volumes. Popcat, based on Solana, spiked higher after a single $630,000 purchase of the tokens late Sunday pushed its capitalization over the $1 billion mark. Meanwhile, the Ethereum-based MOG rose 8% to a $960 million capitalization to set a new lifetime peak, extending a 2-week run to over 70% as its cult following on social application X grew. On July 23rd, Hong Kong will see the launch of Asia's first Bitcoin futures inverse product, the CSOP Bitcoin Future Daily Inverse product. The new exchange-traded funds by CSOP Asset Management, one of the largest asset managers in China, aims to offer investors a method of profiting from declines in the price of Bitcoin. This development follows the successful launch of the CSOP Bitcoin Futures ETF in December 2022, continuing the firm's expansion in the Asia-Pacific region. The CSOP Bitcoin Futures Daily Inverse product is designed to offer investment results that correspond closely to the inverse daily performance of the S&P Bitcoin Futures Index. This inverse product achieves this through a futures-based replication strategy which invests directly into spot month Chicago Mercantile Exchange Bitcoin futures. The Monetary Authority of Singapore has committed 100 million Singapore dollars, that is $74.36 million, to beef up its finance sector's quantum computing and artificial intelligence capabilities. The latest injection of funds by the MAS, the Central Bank and Financial Regulatory Authority of Singapore, is aimed at helping local financial institutions establish quantum computing infrastructure and speed up AI development and adoption. The MAS introduced the Financial Sector Technology and Innovation Scheme in 2022 to strengthen Singapore's position as a fintech hub. Adding to its initial commitment of 150 million Singapore dollars over 3 years, the regulator committed another $74.36 million on July 18. Eligible financial institutions will receive up to 50% co-funding for building quantum computing technology centers and viable institutional use cases. Companies building quantum-based cybersecurity solutions will be eligible for up to 30% co-funding. A part of the fund will be diverted towards building AI innovation centers where AI models can be built, trained and deployed across various use cases. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Now let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list we have Karma. President Joe Biden's decision that he will not seek re-election in November was prompted by dissatisfaction with his performance during a public debate with Donald Trump and his health concerns due to COVID-19. Vice President Kamala Harris has been endorsed by Joe Biden and a significant Democratic Party fraction, making her the endorsed candidate for the presidency. Meme coins tied to political figures experienced a sharp decline, with Joe Biden-themed tokens like Geo Biden experiencing a double-digit plunge, while Kamala Harris-themed coins like Kamala Harris Karma token soared nearly 90%, reaching an all-time high of $0.02. Trump's MAGA token also experienced volatility, initially spiking by losing 7% within 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Popcat. Popcat, a Solana-based meme coin, has experienced a significant price surge with an 117% increase in value since July 11th. This has sparked unprecedented investor interest as similar spikes in altcoin value are typically followed by bearish market trends. Analysts are monitoring Popcat for potential correction amid a bull run, as increased prices can lead to significant changes in market behavior. Next on the list, we have Layer 0. Layer 0 has maintained gains and soared over 400% since its inception. Layer 0's native token ZRO was the top performer, soaring over 54% this week. Few analysts on the X platform believe that the recent surge in ZRO's price is fueled by the demand surge, and the token is poised for a massive rally ahead. Next on the list, we have DogeCoin. DogeCoin's price has reached its highest monthly level on July 28th and is expected to continue its bullish trend. DogeCoin recently reached its all-time high level of open interest, jumping 19% to $647.19 million over 4 days. The price spike follows speculation about whether DogeCoin could replicate its previous performance of reaching an all-time high of $0.73 a year after the previous Bitcoin halving in May 2021. And if this pattern were to repeat, DogeCoin price would reach a new all-time high in April 2025. Next on the list, we have XRP. Ripple CEO's recent comments have sparked speculation that the company's year-long battle with the SEC may be ending, driving the price of XRP tokens up and increasing user activity on the network. Blockchain analytics platform Santiment noted that user activity on Ripple's XRP ledger has recently increased, with active addresses and new address creations reaching the highest single-day level since March.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Miruchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website at www.3verstv.io or scan the QR code.